Hey everyone! Today we're getting our first exclusive look at Hyundai's newest electric vehicle, the 2025 Inster. This quirky little crossover has just been revealed, and it's aiming to shake up the affordable EV market in a big way. Let's start with the looks because, wow, Hyundai's designers really went for it here. The Inster blends angular, boxy proportions with surprisingly cute details. Those round LED daytime running lights give it an almost friendly face, while the pixelated taillights borrowed straight from the Ioniq 5 add a premium touch to the rear. It's narrow but tall, creating a distinctive silhouette that stands out from the crowd. Some might see hints of Suzuki Ignis in the profile, but the overall package feels fresh and uniquely Hyundai. Now for the important stuff. The Inster comes in two flavors, a standard version with 97 horsepower and a long-range model packing 115 horses. Both share the same 146 Nm of torque, which isn't massive. But remember, this is a city-focused EV. The long range can sprint from 0 to 100 in 10.6 seconds and tops out at 150 km/h. Not exactly sports car territory, but more than enough for urban environments where that instant electric torque makes it feel peppier than the numbers suggest. Range is where the Inster really impresses. The long-range model offers an official 369 kilometers on a single charge, while the standard version promises over 300 kilometers. Both can fast charge at up to 85 kilowatts, taking you from 10 to 80% in about 30 minutes. For a car in this class, those are seriously competitive figures that should help ease range anxiety for most drivers. Step inside, and you'll find the interior surprisingly spacious, considering the car's compact dimensions. Hyundai has stretched the wheelbase compared to the Korean market Casper on which it's based, creating genuinely impressive rear legroom. Taller passengers will have no problems getting comfortable in the back, though it's strictly a four-seater with no middle rear seat option. The dashboard is dominated by twin 10.25-inch screens as standard, giving it a tech-forward feel that punches above its weight class. Yes, there's plenty of hard plastic around the cabin, but Hyundai has dressed things up with interesting textures, a houndstooth pattern on the seats, and some unique color combinations. Our test vehicle featured a beige and brown interior that might not be to everyone's taste, but it certainly stands out. Storage is decent for a small car. The trunk offers 280 liters, but you can slide the rear seats forward to expand that to 351 liters without folding them down. Fold the seats and you'll get a respectable 1059 liters of cargo space. On the tech front, the Inster comes well equipped. Apple CarPlay and Android Auto are standard, as are rear parking sensors with a reversing camera, smart cruise control with stop-and-go functionality, keyless entry, and climate control. Higher trim levels will add front parking sensors, LED lighting, and even 64-color ambient lighting. There's also an available tech pack that adds a 3-pin plug socket for vehicle-to-load capability. The questions everyone wants answered: how does it drive? While we haven't had a chance to get behind the wheel yet, Hyundai claims the Inster offers 5 different regenerative braking levels, including a one-pedal driving mode. Light steering combined with excellent visibility should make it perfect for navigating tight city streets. With pricing expected to position the Inster between the i10 and i20 in Hyundai's lineup, this could be one of the most compelling affordable EVs on the market. It's bringing impressive range, distinctive styling, and a surprising amount of tech to a segment that desperately needs more options. The Inster faces stiff competition from the upcoming Renault 5 E-Tech and existing budget EVs like the Dacia Spring, but based on what we're seeing, Hyundai has created something truly worth considering if you're looking to go electric without breaking the bank. We can't wait to get behind the wheel for a proper test drive soon. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button and subscribe for more content just like this. Leave a comment below with your thoughts or questions. I read every single one. And don't forget to click the bell icon to get notified about my next upload. See you in the next video.